Ford F-150. It won't start. It won't start. It doesn't make any noise when I turn the key. See, any noise. So I'm gonna show you how to check it with no tester light and with a horn. Because if you don't have a helper so he can go under, the first thing we're gonna check it's next to the starter to check if it's a starter or if it's the relay or if it's something in between. Vamos a checar esta camioneta que no prende, no hace ni un ruido la marcha, y si no tienen ayudante, ¿verdad? O si tienen ayudante no pueden ver la luz. Si no tienen ayudante, como si tienen un testeador no pueden ver la luz. Pero les voy a enseñar cómo checarlo con una corneta. Tiene una corneta por ahí, con esta lo vamos a checar. So I'm gonna check it with the horn. I'm gonna show you how to check it, because there's no way you can see it if you're alone, just by yourself. Right there. Okay, so you need a long wire, two long wires to connect the ground. Maybe we can connect it somewhere here, a chassis ground, and right here. Or if you got a longer wire, you can connect it to the battery. And then I'm gonna connect this wire to this one, to one side of the horn. It doesn't matter which side. See? So you can connect this one. This is the ground and this is the positive. This is the one we need to connect right here. Under here there's two wires connected to the starter. See, this is the one that comes from the battery. Necesitamos dos cables largos suficiente para conectarlos, y pueden conectarlo de aquí del chasis o para la tierra. No tiene que ver aquí, ¿verdad? Entonces vamos a conectar el otro, el positivo, lo vamos a conectar en este cable delgado, que es el que viene directo, bueno, no directo del switch, viene del switch, pasa por el solenoid y llega aquí, por el relay y llega al solenoid este. So lo vamos a conectar aquí. We're going to connect this one right here on the small wire. This one comes all the way from the switch, passing through the relay. See, then the relay. Here I'm going to check if the current is getting all the way here. If we're not getting any sound on our horn, somewhere in between it's bad. Okay. That's when you have no clicks or something on your starter. Okay, this test. Okay, let's check it. It's connected. The ground. Let me connect to the battery. I'm going to connect to the ground here. Okay. Okay. Let's check it. See? We got good current right there. So we got a bad starter. Okay, so let's replace our starter. That's just in case you don't have a helper and you do have a tester light, or you have a tester light, but there's no way you can see the light, just in case you don't have a helper, there's no way you can see the light from here under, because it's a long way unless you put some long wire to check it. But we can connect a horn. Sí. Conectamos una corneta. Es que está llegando un cliente. Conectamos una corneta para oír el sonido, porque en caso de que no tengan un ayudante, alguien que les ayude, o en caso de que alguien, entiendo que si no tienen ayudante o si no tienen tester light, y de todos modos si tienen tester light, a menos de que pongan un cable largo de tierra para que puedan mirarlo aquí, o no sé, ¿verdad? Es un poquito trabajoso también, pero pues esto es con una corneta la pueden conectar, una a la tierra de la batería y la otra al cable delgado que llega al solenoide. So van a saber cómo checarlo, van a escuchar con la corneta, ok. So vamos a reemplazar la marcha. Here, as you can see, there's one bolt right here, one right here, and one right here on this side. See, all the bolts, we need to remove them from the front, like from this part. See, right here's the bolt, this one. We need to remove the ground and the positive. I'm gonna disconnect the battery right now. The battery is not disconnected yet. Voy a quitar la terminal de la batería, todavía no la desconecto. Vamos a quitar esta tierra, este cable grueso y este delgado. Y aquí está el tornillo este y otro que tiene arriba, que todos vienen de adelante hacia atrás. Okay, voy a desconectar la batería. I'm going to disconnect the battery. We're right here. Let's just remove this wire first. It should be half 13. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. It is coming out. This is the ground wire. Let's pull it out. Okay. Now let's remove this small one and the one positive that comes from the battery. Vamos a quitar estos dos. Vamos a quitar el grueso primero. Let's remove the positive, the thick one first. Vamos a quitar el positivo. A veces se puede acomodar la cámara en cierta forma, pero a veces no hay lugar. Eso está un poquito lejos allá. Sometimes the camera, there's room for it, but right now it's a little bit far away because there's no way I can put it somewhere here. Okay. The thick one. Let's remove this, the thin. The thin one is the one that comes from the switch, passing through the relay. Let's remove this one. Need a short socket. Maybe a 1/4 inch. This one is too big. It's gotta be what, 10 mil? Yeah, it's 10 on the small wire. And this is good because the customer put some fluid. I don't know why, but they put some fluid right here, so it's helping me to get the bolts out. So we got all the nuts out. Let's remove the bolts, but let's remove the one on top first. See, the one on the top. So the one on the bottom holds the starter in place, so we can work on it. See, it's gonna be a little bit difficult because there's no room to put something all the way through here. So it's gonna be a little bit of trouble. Right here I can feel the bolt. Or is it gonna be 13 or half inch too? See? There's no way I can put something right here. I'm gonna have to remove it from the top. There's no way I can put my hand right there, or my ratchet. I need to go. There's no way I can see the bolt from any way. Okay, so I'm gonna put the socket through here.
Diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC.
I need to put the swivel in a short extension.
And tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights. Open Monday through Saturday. Search your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
I'm gonna use a swivel because there's no way I can reach the bolt. Let me see. It's right here on the edge. But there's no way I can see it. Okay, it's right there. Let's see. What can I do? Right there. Okay. I need it. The other ratchet and the other extension, see, like that. I felt like it turns, but I don't know. Se sintió como que giró, pero no sé. Lo voy a ver. Vámonos. It's way in there. The boat, it's way in there. Right there. Okay, I got it loose. Ya lo aflojé, está un poquito difícil, está muy adentro, muy difícil. Ya aflojó. A ver si le puedo dar vuelta con este. I'm gonna see if I can turn it with the knob. Okay, that's the first bolt we need to remove, huh? And it's the last one we need to install. The first and the last. Let me see if I can turn it with my fingers. I don't think so, but let me see. It's going. Coming out slowly. Slowly. Ahí viene despacito. Okay. We got the first bolt out. Let's remove that middle one. A quitar el del medio, que está aquí un poquito no tan escondido como el primero, pero aquí está, miren. Vamos a quitarle este. Ok, ahí así. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Are you in need of auto repair? Or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? The Sergio technician is an auto
Second
technician
one.
in Laguna Heights. Sergio
Loose. limpios. Tenemos el segundo suelto. Vamos por el tercero. Aquí está. Pueden got it out. Let's go for the third one. This one on the bottom. This one is right here. See if I can put the camera on another place so you can see how the installation. I don't know if I can put it on another place. This one it's a little bit difficult. It's not turning right. No, something wrong with the thread. It's too dry. I'm gonna put some oil or grease so I can install it back. Easy. Okay, got it out. The starter's coming down. Okay, it's coming down. Oops. A little bit of the sand. It's full of sand right here. Okay. Let's put the new one in there. Let me see if I can put the camera on another way, on another place. Right there. I hope you can see it better because right here's the bolt that it's real hard to remove. Let me take these wires. Well, there's no way I can remove them from there, so they're gonna be on your view. Okay, so let's put the starter in. Vamos poniendo la marcha. Que le iba a poner grasa a los tornillos o aceite para que entraran mejor. Okay, people, let's put the starter. Put some oil on the bolt thread. Let's put this. You can see it. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolt right there. The one on the bottom. Okay. Now let's put this one, the middle one. I'm going to turn the bolts all the way in, all of them. Well, these two first, and then okay. Let me turn this bolt all the way in, not too tight because I need to wiggle the starter to put the one on the top. Si no lo aprieten mucho con la mano porque nada más lo vamos a llegar. Ok, que se mueva un poquito, porque a lo mejor necesitamos mover la marcha para poner la parte de arriba. ¿Okay? Digo, el tornillo de arriba, no la parte. Not so tight, so we can wiggle the starter. Now let's put the one on top. Vamos a poner el de mero hasta arriba. Así. Lo vamos a apretar.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right? Then turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Let's get it tight.
They are AC certified and full computerized diagnostics.
We got all of them in there, so let's get this one in there and then get it tight.
Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to a technician, Gabriel Auto Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Ya tenemos todos los otros dos metidos, ya los metimos. Vamos a apretar este de arriba igual como fue, pero primero ahora vamos a apretar este de arriba, siendo que ya están todos metidos. Ok, we got all of them in there, so we can get this one tight. Okay, it went all the way in. Okay, it's closed. Right there. Okay, now let's put the ratchet in there and get it tight. La rachita aquí, la matraquita. Tight. Tight. All right. Ya está apretado. Listo. Ya está apretado el de arriba. Ahora vamos a apretar este de abajo. Vamos a quitar estas extensiones. Vamos a apretar este de abajo. Muy bien, listo. Ahora el de aquí hasta abajo. Ok. Ahora vamos a poner los cables aquí en el solenoid. Let's put this one. It goes inside. Sorry, I didn't notice that hole, and I can put the camera right there. Okay, let's get this one tight. Don't over tight these bolts, just a little bit, because it's plastic. Right here it's plastic, and if you get it tight, you're gonna break this part. No aprieten mucho esos tornillos, ok. Estas tuercas son de plástico. Esa parte es de plástico y se puede romper. Nada más no las aprieten mucho. Ok. It changes the size. The size changes because they send a bigger nut. Okay, let's get this one tight. Not so tight like I told you, okay? No las aprieten mucho como les dije porque pueden quebrar. Hey. Right there. There's good. Now this one, the ground. Ahora sí vamos a poner la tierra. Okay. Let's get this one tight. This bolt gets stripped. The thread gets stripped. So I'm gonna have to put a nut in the back or something because it's stripped. I don't know what happens with this one. it's tripped. I'm gonna have to replace this bolt. Put a longer bolt and a nut on the back. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I found an extra large bolt, and I'm gonna put it here. To put a nut right here on the back. Okay. There's no thread. There's no thread right here. Getting close. Maybe it's not gonna need the nut. Okay, it gets tight. Right there. It gets real tight. That's good. It doesn't need the nut on the back, because it have half the thread. Okay, so that's it. We have the starter in place. This is the bolt that damages the thread. See, I put a longer one. I was trying to put a nut right here on the back, but it gets tight because it was half. This one only reaches to halfway right here. As you can see, somebody put this short bolt. I don't think it's the original. This one is not the original. Because see, as you can see, it only reaches half. Ooh, less than halfway. Maybe like three threads, as you can see right here. 1, 2, 3. So somebody removed this bolt and lost it and put another one short. Alguien quitó la marcha y le puso este tornillo, perdió el original, y miren, es por acá así apenas agarraba un poquito de la punta. Por eso es que se barrió cuando se apretó se quería poner, apretó un poco, pero cuando le puse la tierra se barrió las tres roscas que estaba agarrando nomás. See, it only have three threads reaching right there. So I put a longer bolt. I thought it's gonna need a nut right here on the back. I'm gonna put a nut right here, but no, it gets tight real good. Sí, pensé que iba a necesitar una tuerca atrás, pero no, quedó muy bien. Ya está listo, quedó apretado, agarró hasta dentro las tuercas. So, vamos a aprender a conectar la batería y vamos a prender la troca. Okay, let's connect the battery. didn't honk. Let's get it tight. Now let's crank it. Let's crank the engine. Okay, let's go. Let's start the engine. Right there. It cranks right away. Good. We finished this starter installation, and I show you if you don't have a helper, if you don't have a longer tester to check how to know it, connect a horn, and if you hear it honking while you turn the key on and crank it, you heard the if you heard the horn, the circuit is good. If you don't hear it, well, we need to check something else, maybe the switch, maybe the relay or something else. Ya terminamos este video por el momento. Les enseñé, bueno, no les enseñé, ¿verdad? Por el momento puse si uno no tiene un testeador de corriente, un probador de corriente, ¿verdad? O un ayudante que te pueda ayudar, puedes conectar una corneta eléctrica y le puedes dar. Si oyes el sonido de la corneta, es que está bien el circuito. Si no oyes el circuito, la corneta que pite, bueno, pues entonces tenemos mal el switch o el relay. Sí, pero pues ya está lista. Muchas gracias por ver el video. No se olviden suscribirse, pónganle like, pónganle me gusta, y si les gustó, pues si no les gustó, pues no le pongan, o pónganle no me gusta, ¿verdad? Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, put a like. If you don't like it, well, put dislike. See you later. See you next time. Don't forget to drink watch the video so you never get sick of anything. We are still on COVID. I can say that thing. We are still in that pandemic thing, but we're still in the middle. It's May. Oh, it's 5 de mayo, man. 5 de mayo, te piso los callos. It's May 5th. Today's May 5th, 2020. So, es 5 de mayo hoy, señores y señoras. Estamos en mitad de la pandemia. No se olviden de tomarse so don't forget to drink it so that you never get sick. Check the video. I got another video there. So check that video and drink. You're never gonna get sick. Thank you for watching. See you later.
Open Monday through Saturday. Turn to the technician. Hear from Auto Technician. Hear from Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.